The Sony ZV-1F is designed for one primary purpose: making vlogging easy. With a 1-inch sensor and wide 20mm lens, it delivers professional-looking 4K video for content creators. It is a streamlined tool that skips advanced photo features for vlogger-centric ease. Check the link in the description for the best price. Here is how this camera performs across common creator tasks. At an 8.6, it is highly optimized for handheld vlogging and content creation. The 8.5 rating reflects its reliability for crisp, clear talking head footage. Photography earns a 6.2 because the fixed lens limits your creative options. It performs best for dedicated video work, though the fixed focal length means it struggles with. Is the investment worth it for your specific creative needs? Scoring 7.9, it provides specialized features that justify the cost for video makers. Sony earns an 8.8 for brand trust, ensuring reliable hardware and support. The 8.2 beginner appeal shows how approachable this device is for newcomers. While it offers great brand reliability for the cost, it provides less long-term flexibility than mirrorless. Understanding the potential drawbacks before you buy. Reliability is high at 8.2, reflecting standard, consistent build quality. At 6.7, flexibility is the main risk due to the fixed, non-zoom lens. Solid support options contribute to a strong 8.4 rating for peace of mind. This is a safe purchase if your goals are clear, but beware of its lack of. The Sony ZV-1F is a clear choice if you are a beginner vlogger or creator who rarely needs to zoom or take stills. It excels at talking head videos, but its fixed lens design limits it as an all-around camera.